Hi friends, what's up? This is our phone 360 reader. Right now I'm going to show how to cancel automatic install of iOS and iPadOS updates. You may already know that iOS and iPadOS will attempt to automatically install iOS and iPadOS system software updates to your devices, but not everyone wants to use this feature all the time. If you accidentally scheduled an overnight software update on your iPhone or iPad, you may be looking to cancel this automatic update, whether you don't want your device to be interrupted at night or whether you just want to wait on the update or install it manually yourself later. Thankfully, you can cancel this iOS or iPadOS update by tweaking your update settings. That all being said, it's time to learn how to cancel automatic install of iOS and iPadOS updates the quick way. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, do know that canceling auto installation of software updates is pretty straightforward if you're using a device that's running iOS 14 or iPadOS 14 or later. Keep in mind that you need to have a scheduled update to access this particular option that I'm going to talk about. To get going, head over to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General to continue. Here, tap on the Software Update option. Now you will be able to see the version of the iOS or iPadOS update that's scheduled to be installed. Tap on Automatic Updates to proceed. Here, tap once on the Install iOS Updates toggle. Doing this will give you access to two options. Choose Cancel Install Tonight if you just want to stop the scheduled overnight update and leave automatic updates on. That's all there is to it. Your iPhone or iPad will not attempt to update later during the night. Since you have left automatic updates on, you may receive a similar update pop-up within a day or two. However, this time, instead of typing in your passcode, tap on the Remind Me Later option below the number pad to prevent scheduling an update on your device. To stop these software update pop-ups, you will need to disable automatic updates. Another way to stop your device from initiating the update at night is by making sure it's not connected to power. This is because automatic updates are only installed when your iPhone or iPad is charging and connected to a Wi-Fi network. That's pretty much it. So that's how you can cancel automatic install of iOS and iPadOS updates with ease. Now that you know how it works, make the most of it to take control of the unwanted automatic install of iOS and iPadOS updates on your iPhone or iPad. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.